have kids coming who don't know what a letter is, don't know what a sound is, they don't know how to hold a book. You give them a book and they might hold it upside down or just not even know how to open the book and turn a page. They don't know how to hold a pencil. So there's lots of things that we're very beginning stages of learning to read and write when they come in. And then you have kids who already know how to read a book. Like last year I had a kid who was reading on a first grade level coming to me in August. So it's big diversity, big gap between. So that's where small group comes into play, where you pull 4 students who are very similar and you work with them to improve and make sure you're scaffolding and bumping them up. So the kids who don't know how to hold a pencil, I might pull them and show them, okay, this is how we do it. And scissors especially, they like to cut towards them instead of away. So even things that you might not think about that we have to really instill in them to get them ready.